Hello and welcome. Today we have an exciting and unique way for your kids to play in the dirt. We'll be showing you how to use compressed earth and ice cube trays to make fantastic earthen shapes. So, let's get started. We'll start off by pouring the dry dirt into the bowl and use a sifter and your hands to remove any large rocks or debris. Once you have a smooth consistency, it's time to add some water. Gradually mix the water into the dirt until it is moist enough to hold its shape when compressed in your hands. Keep in mind, you will have to add a little bit more as you go. It's better to start with a more drier consistency than to end up with one that's too moist. And there we go. It looks good. Now, let's talk about the molds we'll be using for our earthen shapes. You can get creative with this. We've chosen a chocolate container, ice cube tray, and even a mochi container. Taking handfuls of the prepared dirt, begin compressing it into the mold using every bit of your hand, palms, fingers, and thumbs. The more you compress it, the stronger the resulting earthen shape will be when removed from the structure. Feel free to experiment with different types of dirt. Here, we're using one with a higher clay content for added strength. Now, let's move on to another exciting option, ice cube trays. These are perfect for creating building blocks that are hard to crush. Press the moistened earth into the ice cube tray compartments firmly. You'll notice how it takes shape and holds together even better. And here, this one is a fruit tray from the grocery store made of cardboard. This one will certainly give your palms a workout. Once you're done shaping your earthen objects, it's time to let them cure. Depending on how hard you were able to compress the earth, it may take a day or two for them to fully dry and harden. Patience is key. Now that our earthen shapes are completely dry, let's see what we've got. Look at these amazing tiles we've created. Each one has a unique texture and natural charm. And now, onto the half spheres. As you can see here, the air pockets have added an interesting look to these guys. The best part about these earthen shapes is that you can crush them, stab them, and carve into them. Let your imagination run wild. Well, that's a wrap. We've shown you how to use compressed earth and ice cube trays to create fantastic earthen shapes. It's a fun and educational activity for kids and adults alike. So go ahead, get your hands dirty, and unleash your creativity. Subscribe for more ways to create, play, and design with rammed earth. And check out some of our other videos on how to make a fire pit at the beach or a landscape sculpture using dirt and vegetation for decorations.